Hello guys, this is the Core i3 system. You may remember this from previous videos. Had the little Intel board I put in there. I just threw it together real cheap on a budget. And we decided, as I looked at the board, I was going to take the Core i3 2120 that I just took out of that Dell Optiplex 790 when we did the Core i5 upgrade and put it in here. Well, I was looking at that board. It was so small and it had its issues. I noticed when I took the processor out to do that upgrade, it looked very, very closely, and I spotted a couple tiny little bent pins on the socket. So what we did was we went ahead and I found another Intel board with 4 RAM slots, and it's a little bit more optioned up. It's a nicer board, more headers in the front panel and stuff. So I bought that for 30 bucks. It's a used board, but it's worth it. And we got it all set up, and we're doing the Windows updates on it right now. This machine runs Windows 8.1. So that's where we're at right now. We're going to restart it. And she's running nicely. I built this. I just got home from work at like 12 o'clock. It's a tiny bit after 1. Fixed myself a cup of coffee and got the screwdrivers and tools and stuff out that I need to do this work. And threw it all together. And turned it on, and everything worked on the first try. No issues. I didn't even have to flip the connectors for the front panel umbilicals. Everything just turned on and worked fine and worked beautifully the first time. So that's gonna do it for this one. We'll do a more in-depth video on this next time, and we'll talk about this because this one can do a Core i7, so we might do a Core i7 upgrade on it. We'll see. So at any rate, that's gonna do it for this one. I thank you guys for watching. It's PC Lover 81's World. Please subscribe if you like videos like this, and there's more exciting videos to come. Have a good rest of the day.